I welcome you all to this Java course. But before we begin, we're talking about Java, what it is, why do we need it. So, let's start our Java course. First of all, what is the goal of this course? Understanding what exactly is Java programming and how it works. Learning how to create basic applications with Java. Understanding how to work with basic and more advanced Java features. So, Java is an object-oriented, platform-independent programming language. It is high-level, robust. Java codes are compiled into bytecode or machine-independent code. This bytecode is run on JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Object it is also called object oriented. Object oriented means mimic real life objects. For example, there are so many objects. Let's take real world examples. Human being. The objects have properties and behaviors. Superman, trees, animals, so and so. So let's take car as example. Core has its own properties and behaviors. The properties of core, color, horsepower, production, year, so on so. Behavior, start engine, stop engine, lights on, lights off. So, Java is an object-oriented platform-independent programming language. Object-oriented means mimic real-life objects. Platform-independent. It means write once, run everywhere. You can write it once, run everywhere. Next, it's interpreted. That means bytecode that can be easily translated into mission code. It is also concurrent, not sequential execution. Secure. Memory segments are not accessible. Built-in security. In which areas it is used? In web development, standalone applications, mobile enterprises. Web development in applications of Google, Amazon, Netflix, YouTube. Standalone applications, it means Minecraft, Intellij ID, mobile, Android. Example. Enterprises, SAP. Advantages. It is high-level language, simple and easy to learn. 20 plus years history among the best languages. Lots of Fortune 500 companies use it. Massive enterprise usage. And community support. 9 plus million developers. So that is our Java introduction and advantages, disadvantages. Now let's go in depth. These are JDK vendors, Java, Oracle, OpenJDK, Adopt OpenJDK, AWS, Amazon, introducing Amazon Core 2. Next, IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. We use Intellij in this. Here you can see Intelligent Text Editor. IDE is Intelligent Text Editor for programming, highlights language keywords, provides hints, underlines errors, version control, and also JDK installed for Windows. These link I kept in description. You can check and install JDK kit. Next, what is JVM? So, JVM means Java Virtual Machine is an abstract machine that enables your computer to run a Java program. When you run the Java program, Java compiler first compiles your Java code to bytecode. Then the JVM translates bytecode into native machine code, set of instructions that a computer's CPU executes directly. Java is a platform independent language. It's because when you write Java code, it's ultimately written for JVM, but not your physical machine computer. Since JVM executes the Java bytecode, which is platform independent, Java is platform independent. Next, what is JRE? Before knowing what is JRE, let's think more about JVM. JVM, it means when you write Java program, it converts into bytecode, then the bytecode is converted into machine code. Finally, it gives the output. That's called JVM. Now, what is JRE? JRE JRE is Java Runtime Environment. Is a software package that provides Java class libraries, Java virtual machine, and other components that are required to run Java applications. JRE is a superset of JVM. If you need to run Java programs but not develop them, JRE is what you need. JRE means it includes JVM plus class libraries. That's called JRE. JDK. What is JDK? JDK, Java Development Kit, is a software development kit required to develop applications in Java. When you download JDK, JRE is also downloaded with it. In addition to JRE, JDK also contains a number of development tools, compilers, Javadoc, Java debugger, etc. JDK. JDK is combination of JRE, compilers and also debuggers. No, no, it's verifying. Let's type here. Intellij ID. I'm going to use Intellij. You can use any IDE like NetBeans. There are many available. Eclipse. You can use Eclipse, NetBeans, or also VS Code. Here I am using Intellij. So let's begin our first program. This IntelliJ ID download link also I have kept in the description. You can install it. It's simple process. Just click download and next. It's so easy process. After installing, click new project and name it. That's it. Here is the tip of the day. It's not required for us. This is our first Java program. I will explain this also line by line. Before going to this, I will tell you the relation between JVM, JRE and JDK. JRE is combination of JVM and class libraries. JDK is JDK includes JVM, class libraries and also compilers, debuggers, Javadoc. That's the relation between JRE, JDK and JVM. Now step into our first Java program. This is the first program. Public class main. Public static void main string args system.out.println hello world program. So Here, public public mean global. And when it comes to void is a reserved keyword. And what is main? Main is system function. It's name of function. Here, name of function is system function. Here, what you main dot Java. When you give hello dot Java, you have to keep here public class hello. Public static void main string in ARGS is must and should mandatory in each and every Java program. Next, when it comes to system.out.println hello world program, here println means display. It displays the output. So let's run our first program. Here, when you left click and run, it runs automatically. It takes some time, just few minutes. Yeah, it came now. See here, hello world program. So whatever you give here, it prints. That's the Java first program, hello world program. If I give my name here and click run, it displays my name in the output. Whatever you give here, it prints. This is the first program. This is our session one. So we just learn how to use the how to run our first program and what the what is Java and everything. In next tutorials we'll learn everything in detail. So let's go for one more small simple program. Let's go for some of numbers. In here int, let's give two numbers int n1 equal to 5 and n2 equal to 3. S means sum, like that. That is initialization. Next step is s equal to n1 plus n2. Adding two numbers is our target here. So change here. Whatever you keep here, it prints. It displays in output. Sum, what we have to get output. Sum of those numbers. So let's run. Let's see what happens. Do we get sum of numbers 5 plus 3? Here you can see 8. This is this is the first program, and you can also change settings in Intellij. File, here settings. You can change plugins, install these, whatever you need. But for Java, we don't need these all. And